Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Melina. I do videos about makeup, plants, they're all over, my life, and travel. But today, we're gonna take it back to like one of the first plants that I ever got. And it's on my channel, and my hair's really short, and it's embarrassing, but I'm still gonna show you. So this is a plant that I've never shown. Only that time, I guess I haven't shown it ever since. It's been almost 2 years or 2 years. I can't remember. I gotta go back and look at the date when I posted this video. But yeah, I'm gonna post footage about it. But yeah, if you want to know which plant I'm gonna like go back and look back and see the growth update, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you already fell in love with my personality, please follow me at Melina Glam on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, and I believe that's it. But without further ado, let's begin this take me back and look back at my plant and see the growth update type of video. I don't even know what the fuck I'm saying. Okay, you guys, the plant that I'm featuring is, let's roll the tape, roll the tape. I don't want, oh, we're gonna, oh my god, my doggies are getting crazy. First of all, if y'all didn't know, I am a trans woman, so if y'all don't like that, get the out. That's all I can say. Oh my god, so this plant, if y'all don't know, is the variegated Syngonium. It's the variegated Syngonium, variegated Syngonium Albo. I can't think today. Yeah, so she was so small. I got it on eBay, and I believe I paid like $45, which it's crazy because they're selling for $15 now, but I mean, it was 2 years ago. I got it when it was like, plant prices were still high, so that sucks. But anyways, here she is. I neglected her. She lives in Leka. I haven't watered her for 2 weeks. I think going on 3 weeks. Please don't judge me. Yeah, here she is. She has a lot of dying leaves, and they're only dying because they're white. They're the white ones, you guys. So here she is. She's vining, she's neglected, she's ready for a drink. She lives in Leka, and I'm gonna put her right here. She's a fast grower, I'll tell you that. Let's give her a trim. Yeah. She lives in Leka. She's in my room, so very hardy, very easy. Not a lot of humidity. I used to struggle with it when I was little. When I first transitioned it to Leka, I did struggle. But yeah, we're gonna give it a haircut. Oh my god, okay, can y'all see me? Okay, we're gonna give her a haircut. She's still pretty. She hasn't reverted on me, luckily, and yeah. Oh my god. This is really pretty. At one point, it was so pretty. It looked like butterflies, and I was taking more care of it, but now I've been neglecting her, and yeah, that's not good. I'm probably gonna chop her and make babies. Yeah, I should chop her. Here we go. Oh my god, should I chop her? Yeah, fuck it. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, I chopped her. There we go. Okay, so here's one plant. It's pretty Albo. It has a little green, so hopefully she doesn't die. But she has a lot of roots. Yeah, we're gonna get more leaves out. I've been having this plant for 2 years, and I should have put it up in a pole, but like I said, I've been neglecting her. She's one plant, but she has like 3 growth plates, like 1, 2, 3. She's pretty bald now, and all the action is down here, so yeah, I'm definitely gonna chop this. Yeah, fuck it. Fuck it. Okay. So I chopped her, you guys. Oh my god. She'll be more manageable now. And I'll have babies! Okay, yeah, we're getting rid of that. And we're getting rid of that. Oh my gosh, she's leaking. Okay, yeah. Oh, she has a lot of stems. Guys, this is insane. I'm just gonna chop it here. Look at all this variegated stem. It's so cool. I'm definitely not throwing this out. I'm gonna, should I put it in water? I don't know, you guys, so we'll see what I do with this. But yeah, here's some more plant. This would be the top cutting, I guess. Okay, here's 2 plants. And oh my god, this is pretty droopy. I think I'm just gonna put the whole thing in water. Anyways, that's another plant. I think I could put this like in a vase and it would look so cute and so pretty. Do a little propagation. Yeah, and here's that. Here's my propagation. I have like 3 plants in here. And this is the full plant now. I'm so excited, and yeah, should I make more plants? Probably not. Should I tie it up? Probably gonna tie her up. Maybe I should do another one. Yeah, fuck it. Because these ones look so good. There. Okay. Okay, now I'm getting greedy. Like, it's pretty bald, you guys. She's pretty bald, but oh my god, she leaks like milk every time.
Well, Mr. Miller told me he never drinks milk. Look at him. Hi, kids.
Oh, that's not good.
It's itchy. Oh my god, you guys, this is weird. Every time I cut her, it's like milky. Oh my god, this is gross. I wonder if this shit is toxic. It's kind of like itching. Oh my god, I don't want to touch it anymore. Okay, you guys, so I made babies. There's like at least 5 or 6 babies. Here's the plant. She's bald, but she'll definitely fit better in my setup. So yeah, if y'all want updates and see if these grew, let me know. Comment down below for a part 2. But this was the Syngonium Albo. It's such a fast grower. I don't have any doubt that she'll grow really good. And yeah, follow me, subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. Yes, give it a like. Yeah, Syngonium, Albo. Cute. Bye.